And thank you so much for joining me. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. Improving conditions for flooded localities, ponding on streets, and minor flooding is likely ongoing in northeast Oakland County. Intensity diminishing during the next hour. However, showers and thunderstorms will continue in parts of the area, but coverage has diminished significantly. Conditions will continue to improve in Washtenaw and Livingston counties where flooding occurred today. Stay tuned, I have the very latest on more coming up. We'll be right back. Stay with us. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. We'll have the very latest on more updates to follow after this.